Hello, this is Edward from Edward Crafting. For years I struggled setting up cuts on my CNC. Sometimes great cuts, other times not so much. I looked for a good calculator to help me calculate the many parameters I needed, but I didn't find one I liked and especially at a good value. And so with my engineering background, I made one. Introducing my CNC Explorer, a tool to help understand various settings on a CNC router that affect quality, time, and safety of a cut. The tool uses interactive adjustments, allowing for easy configuration and experimenting with different settings while optimizing the cut to stay within the safe ranges of your equipment. The full version is an Excel application available on my website. Links are below. It is compatible with Excel 2003 and up and with LibreOffice 6.4 Calc tool. It is offered with free upgrades until the next major revision and with customer support. Instant download. Full version is $10 purchased through PayPal. On my website you will also find links to download freeware version. A limited feature version is available with no time restrictions to try with your setups. Manual entry is required, but most of the calculations are enabled. There is also a light version compatible with mobile Excel apps on your phone and can also be downloaded with no time restrictions. Thank you.